Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact card type and interface so you avoid damage. Insert an SD or micro SD into a USB adapter or open the case for an M.2 SATA/NVMe SSD. Once done, seat it firmly and screw if required. Make sure Windows or your OS is powered off when connecting internal drives to prevent short circuits. You do this now to prevent misalignment and to ensure the system recognizes the device at the hardware layer before software steps. Once the card is physically connected, boot to your OS and open Disk Management, Windows, or Disk Utility, Mac OS. You'll initialize the disk. Choose GPT for UEFI systems for compatibility and features. Choose MBR only if you need legacy support. Next, create a partition, assign a drive letter, and format as NTFS for Windows-only use or XFAT for cross-platform access. This step makes the OS able to read/write and ensures performance and file size handling match your needs. Now finalize by moving data or cloning your OS if this card will be a boot drive. Make sure to set default save locations and run an initial optimize/trim on SSDs to preserve performance. Update storage drivers and apply firmware updates to prevent slowdowns. If the drive isn't detected, power down, reseat the card or try a different port or adapter, then check BIOS/UEFI for device recognition. If problems persist, run the system's diagnostics. Occasional adapter failure mimics a bad card.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.